warning.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Du Bois County in south central Indiana, northwestern Crawford County in south central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south central Indiana, southwestern Orange County in south central Indiana until 2:45 p.m. or 1:45 p.m. At 2:12 p.m. or 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dale, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Du Bois, northwestern Crawford, northwestern Perry, and southwestern Orange counties, including the following locations: Du Bois, Gilham, Celestini, Brecksville, Huntingburg, Tazewell, Mentor, Birdvine, French Lick, and Eckerty. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. or 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry.
Okay, doubleheader. Hello?
At 2:13 p.m. or 1:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tell City to 9 miles southwest of Litchfield, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Tell City, Litchfield, Hardinsburg, Hawesville, Webster, Candleton, Irvington, Cloverport, Clarkson, and Leopold. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky. Weather Service forecast for the Evansville.
Bro.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Du Bois County in south central Indiana, Crawford County in south central Indiana, northeastern Perry County in south central Indiana, Orange County in south central Indiana, southwestern Washington County in south central Indiana until 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. At 2:15 p.m. or 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Jasper to 8 miles north of Tell City, moving north at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near English around 2:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Powley. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. for the following counties in
National Weather Service has issued tornado warning for the following counties or areas. Orange, Perry, Beaufort, at 2:12 p.m. on March 3rd, 2023, effective until 2:57 p.m.
Is that the only one? You gonna do the others for your Thursday morning? Okay.